So the name of the pavilion, similar to that of the Armadillo Pavilion in the theme of the animal, is the Cobra Pavilion, taking that of the form of the head of the cobra and the tail sprawling out beneath it. The piece is intended to be a monumental piece where there's multiple points of interaction, one being at the rear where you can rest and relax on the bench, and then at the front where you can recline and look up at the head of the pavilion and enjoy the piece itself. We began at the front of the pavilion by the foot, and this process took where we slotted in the pieces of the reclined area individually into the section. And then we moved to the back where we put the perpendicular support members into the main tree section, and which held this structure together. And then next step would be to place the fins in each of the slots, moving up to the top of the pavilion, and then joining the front and the back together. It was initially intended for the pieces to be a single member that spans the entire height of the pavilion, though the constraints of the CNC bed being a 4x8 bed, that created an issue where we couldn't feasibly have a piece cut out that large. So in order to work around this, we created two pieces that were biscuited together, which allowed for the structural member to be spliced together in a way that would hold the fins up as well as the main body of the piece. And then these pieces were held in place laterally by these perpendicular members that would prevent sway as well as creating more rigidity throughout the member itself.